The golden rule of any construction project is that safety always comes first. BIM technology allows for more advanced safety planning, which can better identify hazards and communicate proposed solutions. Construction professionals can leverage the 3D models and simulations to identify potential safety hazards and risks at an early stage. By conducting virtual safety assessments, they can develop comprehensive safety plans tailored to the specific needs of the project, ensuring that adequate measures and precautions are put in place from the outset. For example, by creating digital representations of the site, planners can carefully analyze the arrangement of materials, equipment, and personnel. Through this process, safety managers can proactively address safety concerns before and during construction. They can pinpoint access issues that might arise during different phases, ensuring that workers have safe pathways and clear access to the work areas. Additionally, the BIM model allows them to assess how construction sequencing might impact safety measures, enabling adjustments to be made in order to mitigate possible risks. By optimizing the site layout, congestion and potential safety hazards can be minimized, streamlining the flow of operations and reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, BIM can be used to facilitate constructability reviews. This process allows safety managers to identify and address potential safety issues related to construction sequencing and the feasibility of temporary structures. Safety managers can remotely monitor conditions, identify potential hazards, and promptly address compliance issues. Using the digital site model, they can virtually walk through the construction sequence and identify potential safety hazards at various stages. For instance, using the BIM model, they can simulate the installation of temporary structures such as scaffolding or cranes and highlight any conflicts with their safety plans or worker access. By proactively resolving these concerns, construction teams can create a safer work environment for everyone involved in the project. BIM technology can also be utilized for safety training simulations. Workers can practice specific tasks and safety procedures in a risk-free setting, enhancing their skills and confidence. Proper training leads to improved safety awareness and a reduction in accidents caused by insufficient preparation or knowledge. Safety managers can simulate emergency evacuation routes, assess potential fall hazards, and even test the effectiveness of safety protocols in a virtual environment. This not only enhances safety planning, but also saves time and resources by identifying and resolving potential issues prior to construction. Another safety application of BIM is for real-time site monitoring through the integration of sensors and cameras on the construction site with the digital model. This allows for real-time hazard detection and response. If a safety breach occurs, the appropriate personnel can be alerted immediately, minimizing the potential for accidents. It also provides a data-driven basis for safety analysis. By tracking patterns and incidents over time, safety managers can identify trends in areas that require additional attention. This enables quick interventions and ensures that safety protocols are being adhered to at all times. As BIM technology continues to integrate further into the construction process, it is only a matter of time before many of these applications become an industry standard. Every construction company will tell you that safety is always the top priority. By identifying potential safety hazards and utilizing BIM to develop a comprehensive safety plan, a construction team can clearly demonstrate that they will spare no effort to ensure the safety of their workers. While all of these applications provide significant safety benefits, they are currently underutilized in many cases due to the slow integration of BIM throughout the construction industry. As a result, those who make the choice to pioneer the regular use of these methods will be able to stand proud as innovation leaders and true champions of safety. If you found this video useful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about VDC and BIM, then click that subscribe button and notification bell. Thanks for watching.